First open your drive. Then you will find this interface. Here is home, started, shared and files option in the bottom of the screen. Here you can see started file, here you can see shared file, and in the file option you can see my drive, shared drive, computers option. In here you will find suggested and notification option. In the notification section you will find notification if you have any. You can click on the three dot icon beside the file name, and here you will find many options like share, manage Google people, links, add to started, make available offline, copy link, make a copy, send a copy, open with, download, rename, show file location, add shortcut to drive, details, activity, print, add to home screen, not helpful suggestion, report abuse. In the three dot menu icon you will find recent, offline, trash, backup, setting, help, feedback and storage option. You can also buy storage from here. If you click on this plus icon, you will find folder, upload, scan, Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Slides option. You can upload your image or file from here. You can create a folder, you can scan your file, you can create Google Docs, Google Sheet and Google Slides file from here. So this is how you can use Google Drive on Android. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.